In this video, you'll learn how to link Slack to Otter.ai. This process enables you to integrate your Slack workspace with Otter.ai for seamless transcription and note-taking during meetings. Start by navigating to your Slack workspace, open your web browser, and enter the Slack URL for your workspace. Once you arrive at the Slack homepage, look for the new message area on the left side of the screen. This is where you will begin the integration process. Next, locate the admin option. This can be found in the sidebar on the left. Click on admin to access the administrative settings for your workspace. After clicking, you should see a new menu appear with various options related to your workspace management. After that, select workspace settings from the admin menu. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage different aspects of your workspace. Look for the integrations option in the list of settings and click on it to proceed. Once you are in the integration section, find and click on recommended apps. This will display a list of applications that are suggested for your workspace. This screen will help you explore various integrations available for Slack. At this point, you will see a prompt that states, "These apps will appear in a recommended category in the app browser for you." This indicates that you are the correct area to search for Otter.ai. Begin typing "Otter.ai" into the search bar. After typing Otter.ai, the application should appear in the search results. Click on the Otter.ai icon to access its integration page. This action will take you to a detailed view of the app and its functionalities within Slack. Next, click on the Install button to initiate the installation process. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the installation is in progress. Be patient, as this process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Following the installation, you will see an Add to Slack button. Click this to finalize the integration. After doing so, a prompt may appear asking you to authorize the integration. Make sure to review the permissions requested and confirm them to complete the setup. You have now successfully linked Slack to Otter.ai. If you would like to try adding Otter.ai to Slack yourself, refer to the link provided in the description or pinned comment below for direct access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.